Sport skill, term 2, week 3. Catching an object with 2 hands. Equipment you'll need: a pair of socks, a toilet roll, a beach or a bath towel.
Everyone, so today we're going to work on the skill of catching with 2 hands. The equipment you'll need, so I'm going to use a toilet roll. Hopefully everyone has one of these, or a pair of socks. And if you have a ball that has spikes on it, these are the best ones to learn how to start catching because it makes it easy to grip. So what we're going to do, I'm going to talk you through the 5 steps to start with. So the first step is you got to have your eyes on the object. So say you're using the toilet roll, when you throw it up in the air, you got to be looking at it. Okay, so that's step number 1. Step number 2, you have your hands cupped. Okay, I say cup like a cereal bowl. So pretend you have like a cereal bowl in your hands, and that's what it's going to be like. So make sure they're wide. Okay, and you got to have your fingers spread. And we're working on catching below the waist this week. So that means I have my pinky fingers together. So it kind of looks like this. All right. The next one, step 4, is I'm going to close my hands around the object that I catch. So once it hits my palms, I'm going to close it very tightly. And the 5th, step 5, is you bring it to your chest and you hug it like a teddy bear, is what I say. So you bring it close and hug it tight, and that way it can't bounce out. So what we can do is start practicing. So when I throw, we can practice throwing up in the air and then coming down, just throwing the, say, toilet paper, or if you want to use a pair of socks, up in the air, and using our 5 steps to be able to catch it successfully. So normally when I do this, I want to stand up straight. I'm just going to do a little throw in the air to start with. I'm keeping my eyes, getting my hands ready, and then bringing it to my chest. So I want you to practice at home. If you can practice those 5 steps and see if you can catch it 10 times in a row. I'll show you. We'll practice together. And when I catch it, I'm going to catch it just around my waist height. Okay? So remember, hands wide, cupped like a cereal bowl, pinkies together. When the toilet paper hits your hands, close it together and then bring it to your chest. Okay? 1, 2, keep your eyes on the toilet roll. 3, 4, get those hands ready. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Okay, you can also do this with someone throwing you the object as well. So if you want to do it with a family member or a sibling or a carer, it's good when someone throws it to you as well. All right, have fun. Remember, there's 5 steps to catching with 2 hands.
Steps to catching. Step 1, eyes on the object. Step 2, hands cupped like a cereal bowl. Step 3, fingers spread. Step 4, close both hands around the object. Step 5, bring it to your chest and hug it like a teddy bear. Eyes on the object. Hands cupped like a cereal bowl. Fingers spread, pinkies together. Close hands around object. Bring to chest and hug it like a teddy bear. Let's take a closer look. In step 3, we are focusing on when we catch an object that is below your waist. So when the object goes below your waist, I have my hands cupped and my pinky fingers together. Which sports use the skill of catching? Football, AFL footy, basketball, cricket, softball.